Hi, this is your RJ Camby from Fever XO4 FM, and today in the studio we have with us Dr. Piyush Vashne, who is the kidney transplant surgeon, robotic surgeon, and a urologist at Fortis Noida. And then we have with us Dr. Priya Bansal with us, who is a gynae cancer surgeon and also gynecologist and also robotic surgeon. Wow, so many traits in one human being. How?
Lots of grey hairs and lots of ears.
Oh, thank you so much for taking out your time. And I have seen people who think about studying this thing. They're like, इसमें तो दिन रात जाएंगे. But
Actually,
great, that's great. And now and you're helping so many people. That's
our blessing and of course, as I said, अलग तरह का craziness चाहिए इधर जाने के लिए.
actually
But
so much of dedication. So you are the people parents give example of कि उनके बच्चों को देखो.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. You are right.
So one thing in common in both of you is robotic surgery.
Yeah.
See, if a layman will listen to this, they'll say, अच्छा, अब surgery खुद होने वाली है, तो डॉक्टर क्या करेंगे? So can you explain what exactly is robotic surgery?
So as I said, like before, explain that robotic surgery is not कि robot आकर के surgery करने वाला है, वो अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. Robotic surgery just a medium है, एक बड़ा सा बीम पे 4 आर्म्स के साथ में एक सर्जन खुद हम एज अ पर्सन जाके वो आर्म्स को हम पेशेंट के एब्डोमेन में फिक्स करते हैं एंड देन पेशेंट से जस्ट 2 मीटर की दूरी पर एक कंसोल होता है, जस्ट लाइक आप लोगों का जो वीडियो गेमिंग कंसोल होता है, वहाँ बैठ के हम अपने फिंगर्स एंड अपने पेडल मतलब पैरों से कुछ एक्शंस जो कर रहे हैं वो हमारे फिंगर्स के एक्शंस को वो रोबोटिक आर्म्स में रिले करता है बेसिकली. तो सर्जरी अभी भी सर्जन ही कर रहा है, वो जो एक्शन है फिंगर्स के वो बेसिकली आपके जो पेशेंट है उसके बॉडी के अंदर रिले हो रहे हैं और उस प्रकार सर्जरी हो रही है.
So is it like a VR like
No,
actions
no,
or you
no,
have
no.
to?
It is basically master and slave. हम जो करेंगे सिर्फ उतना ही चीज़ें फोकस होंगी, उतनी ही चीज़ें, उतने ही मूवमेंट्स होंगे. Once we are out of the console, things will stop immediately.
So you are inside
A console.
of like
There is a sensor in the console.
Okay.
Once we cross this sensor, then only robotic arms will mimic our actions. Once we are out of that sensor, then robot will stop immediately that movement.
And since when this thing has started robotic surgery, because it's quite latest, or
No.
people have been working on this since
This surgery is quite old, but this was not popular in the last.
India.
पिछले 10-15 सालों में अभी रोबोटिक सर्जरी की डिमांड एंड नाउ द रोबोट्स भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ चुके हैं, इसलिए पब्लिक में अवेयरनेस है. और हम भी आज यहाँ इसीलिए हैं कि पब्लिक ये जाने कि हाँ यस रोबोटिक सर्जरी हो रही है.
तो अगर आपने बात करेगी, आप चाहते हो कि पब्लिक जाने, तो अगर पब्लिक को क्या आप ये बता सकते हैं कि इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों है? Why do we need robotic surgery?
तो जैसे गायनी में पर्टिकुलरली एज आई सेड रोबोटिक सर्जरी के बहुत सारे एडवांटेज हैं, बट ऑन फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्ट ऑफ गायनी पेशेंट्स सबसे पहली चीज़ एक फ़ीमेल को चाहिए, उसको घर में इतने सारे रोल्स निभा रही है कि वो जल्दी से अपने काम पे वापस लग जाए, बीइंग अ मदर, बीइंग अ वाइफ, बीइंग अ डॉटर इन लॉ. सो इसमें रोबोटिक सर्जरी का पहला एडवांटेज है अर्ली रिकवरी. कैंसर का पेशेंट भी, गायनी कैंसर का पेशेंट अगले दिन डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है, लाइक टुडे सर्जरी टुमारो डिस्चार्ज. कोई आईवी पेन रिलीफ यानी इंजेक्शन वाले पेन रिलीफ की उसको ज़रूरत नहीं होती. ओरल पैरासीटामॉल इज़ गुड इनफ, वो भी कभी कभार. सेकेंड एडवांटेज हो गया. थर्ड एडवांटेज मिनिमल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, बिकॉज हम जैसे एक एग्जांपल दूँ, अगर हम 3D विजन जैसे हमें जो रोबोट में दिखता है दैट इज़ अ 3D विजन. फॉर एग्जांपल हम में से कितने ही लोग अवतार को या हैरी पॉटर या उसको 2D में देखने जाते हैं? नोबडी. सिमिलरली व्हेन इट इज़ अ सर्जरी, once we are used to doing something in a 3D, इट्स द बेस्ट बिकॉज हमें वो डेप्थ परसेप्शन मिलता है कि एब्डोमेन के अंदर वंस वी आर ऑपरेटिंग हमको सब कुछ 3D दिखता है. तो जो हमारे जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं हमें एक एक वेसल, एक एक नर्व दिखती है, तो इसकी वजह से कॉम्प्लिकेशंस भी रिड्यूस्ड हैं. तो ये सारे एडवांटेजेस हैं जो मतलब हर पर्सपेक्ट से, पर गायनी के पर्सपेक्ट से कैंसर सर्जरी में इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डिसेक्शंस को भी रोबोट द्वारा हम कर सकते हैं मिनिमल ब्लड लॉस के साथ में.
You said 3D vision, so are you wearing something like?
We
or
are
it's-
looking into it.
Oh.
That console.
That console is having 3D camera. So once we are looking into this, vision is three-dimensional. That is the basic main advantage. and this image is 10 times bigger as compared to the normal. So we are able to precisely cut where to cut. Therefore, cancers are most important, where we can get this negative margins of the cancer.
Are there any slight risks involved? What?
Most common problem with the this is robot is first is cost. इसकी जो सर्जिकल फीस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द लेप्रोस्कोपी एंड द ओपन सर्जरीज. And the second thing, sometimes because it's in a machine, it may malfunction, but the incidences still reported are less than 0.5%. But incidences are reported. So, एक malfunction, but we have not encountered such malfunctions.
So talking about malfunctions, so what is exactly this?
So malfunction is when there is a error in the machine that relaying of action from surgeon to robot. However, that malfunction will not do कि वो जो public में डर है कि robot कुछ काट देगा.
no.
Nothing.
Machine will stop.
So
Acha.
something which is stopping will not cause
Any harm to the patient.
No harm to the patient. It may delay the surgery a little bit, restart and do it, but not
Okay, so
harm.
Because
No movement is possible without surgeon's fingers.
Without. That's important.
Okay, so the surgeon's knowledge, experience, wisdom takes more weightage in this rather than the machine.
This is
Yeah.
not AI. This
This
is
is
not
not AI.
artificial intelligence. It's only a Bluetooth technology relaying मेरा action 2 meter दूर से into the patient's body.
Here, therefore, it is robotic assisted. It is a master and slave.
Yeah.
What the master will say, slave will do that thing only.
So it's like a tool wherein you can use the maximum of your knowledge.
Maximum of the technology. as well.
Technology. So technology. So maximum technology, maximum
Advantage.
human knowledge,
Knowledge, yeah.
mixing the same and
And
gives good-
reducing human errors. For example, tremor filtration. अगर हमारी finger से कुछ हल्का भी tremor या involuntary movement होता है तो that will not be relayed. The robot has got feature to filter any such movements.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So a lot of best things relaying and which shouldn't go into the patient are not being relayed. So that is good.
So talking about not exactly numbers, but like a ballpark figure. What exactly is the success rate?
The success rate is in more than 95%.
Oh,
In fact, I mean, I would say success rate is good enough. Like in gynae, the conversion, how we, monitor a success rate when you don't need to convert that surgery into a open
Open.
surgery. So that is less than 1%. So 99% what you want to achieve, you will achieve with robot. So only less than 1% conversion.
are there heart surgeries also happening using the same?
Yes.
Yeah, robot basically was meant for heart surgery, but it
Ah.
has not gained
See,
so
I
much
touched the right
popularity.
point.
Yeah,
My
it
God.
has not gained so much popularity in the heart. It's the urology, then gynae and surgery that took over the robot. Now the heart doctors, cardiac surgeons are also doing some things, but still it is in the developing phase.
So, like initially you said that whenever you are doing any surgery, gynae related surgery, the recovery rate is very quick. That you were saying that the women are daughter-in-laws
Yes.
and have to have so many responsibilities. So is it that true that next day they are fit and fine? Or
They are.
Yeah.
They are. We are even. We have been working on something called 23-hour hysterectomy. So when doesn't have to stay even overnight. So I am working on it so that we can send
Wow.
them the same day as well. For some cases, you can send them the same night home.
बेसिक एडवांटेज जो रोबोट का है वो सबसे बड़ा यही है कि पेशेंट नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग उठ के बैठ के
Wow.
चल सके.
you know these things give a satisfaction to humans. I think कि ठीक है, take care of yourself, but even if some things go wrong, we have a good solution for the same.
Yes.
Every act needs a condition, right? For every act you need to have proper conditions. So is there any proper condition in which robotic surgery have to take place? As in, is there any terms and conditions, or if something like this is there, this can't happen, some medical
So,
condition?
in gynecology, like hysterectomies, all sort of ovarian mass, not ovarian cancers. Ovarian cancers are the only condition where robot has not got that much of role, but uterine cancer, cervical cancer, any simple hysterectomies and other gynae procedures, we are doing robotically. So for as sir said already, that urology and gynecology are the leading numbers in US if you Google. So they are the leading numbers.
Wow.
I'm sure.
Basically, in every abdominal surgery which can be done through laparoscopy, जो भी दूरबीन से ऑपरेशन हो सकता है वो रोबोट से भी हो सकता है.
Oh.
चाहे वो गॉल ब्लैडर रिमूवल हो, चाहे वो हर्निया सर्जरी हो, चाहे प्रोस्टेट कैंसर रिमूवल हो, चाहे किडनी साल्वेज करनी हो, जहाँ किडनी में छोटा कैंसर है और हमें बाकी की किडनी बचानी है, चाहे वो ब्लैडर कैंसर हो, एनीथिंग विच इज़ पॉसिबल थ्रू लेप्रोस्कोपी इज़ पॉसिबल थ्रू रोबोट.
Just a personal question.
या
So, how often are you performing these surgeries? As in, so if there is day one, the morning starts, and what are the number of maximum surgeries you can perform?
in a day
In a day, or
we
what
can
would-
perform in a day up to 4 surgeries.
4 surgeries, and how did you decide that number, that 4? Yeah, because of obviously
That is amongst the
Indication,
doctors.
Yeah, indication, then time. Every surgery has
Certain
different
duration.
timings actually. ना
Okay,
कोई 1
okay.
घंटे में भी हो जाती है, किसी को 4 घंटे भी चाहिए. So it's like as and when needed and
अच्छा,
indicated basically.
इंडिकेटेड. मतलब क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना, देखो हम इंसान है, रोबोट से कर रहे हैं, हम तो इंसान है, तो एक कि इस टाइम के लिए कि बस हाँ, इससे ज्यादा नहीं, इससे
नहीं
I
नहीं
won't be
नहीं
able to
रोबोट
perform.
के साथ ऐसा नहीं है. रोबोट नहीं थकता. ओनली थिंग कि उसकी जो ड्रेपिंग है उसमें ना प्रॉपर एक ड्रेपिंग होती है जो कि चेंज करनी होती है आफ्टर एवरी सर्जरी,
ओह.
ताकि एक मरीज का इन्फेक्शन दूसरे में से टच ना हो. तो दैट कवरिंग्स नीड्स टू बी चेंज्ड एंड द इंस्ट्रूमेंट नीड्स टू बी स्टरलाइज्ड.
It's a bit time taking from one
Uh-huh.
patient to second, but
Oh, so we
otherwise
have to get the equipment ready.
Ready,
Yes.
yeah.
Do you think is there any myth related to robotic surgery which has been untold or which hasn't been cleared yet? Or
सबसे बड़ा मिथ जो पब्लिक में है वो ये है कि रोबोटिक सर्जरी में रोबोट ऑपरेट कर रहा है, सर्जन नहीं. ये गलत है. मैं बार बार आपको ये एम्फेसाइज कर रहा हूँ. इट इज़ नॉट द रोबोट विच इज़ ऑपरेटिंग, इट इज़ बेसिकली द सर्जन हु इज़ operating the robot, and then robot is mimicking the movements. Therefore, it is robotic assisted laparoscopic surgery.
okay, so I hope it's clear. So if anybody talks about robotic surgery, please be clear in your mind. A metal man won't come and operate you.
Yeah.
There are doctors,
So-
yes.
Yeah, that's what sir said is the same thing. Don't expect a metal man to come and operate and cut anything which doesn't need to be cut.
Okay.
That's
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for increasing my knowledge and wisdom regarding robotic surgery. It was a pleasure meeting you and talking to you. And thank you so much for taking out your time. This is your RJ Kambi signing off with Dr. Priya Bansal and Dr. Piyush Vashne.
Thank you.
you.
From